Welcome to Stss. When you start Stss the first time, you will be greeted with this window. It is called the welcome window. On this window, you have an enter button. Click on that button to enter Stss. You will be presented with the main application window for Stss. This main application window is divided into 4 areas. The first one is the tools area. This area. The next one is the module buttons area, which is this area here. The third part is the help button area. And then we have the fourth part, which is the main application window where you do all the work, this area. In order to start the modules in Stss, you click on the corresponding button for that module. So for example, if we are starting with the products module, we will click on products and the products panel will be started here. On the products panel, we have 2 tabs, the product details tab and the product browse tab. Let us deal with the product details tab first. On the product details tab, to your extreme left, you have a graphic here, a stationary graphic. It is just an informational graphic. It does nothing. It's just to inform you of which module you are in. And next to it, we have several information fields, which include barcode, item name, item code, description, type, category, package unit, supplier, reorder point and reorder quantity, and a field for the picture of the product. And below that, we have many buttons. The add button is there for you to add a new record to the module. The allow edit button is there to prevent accidental entry or erasure of data. As it is now, I cannot edit any of this data here, but when I click on allow edit, then I will be able to edit this data. The save button is there for us to save our work when you finish working. The back button is to navigate from current record to the previous one, and the forward button is to navigate to the next record. The print button is used to print information from this module, and the search button is used to search for information within this module. Now let us go to the product browse tab. On the product browse tab, there is a browse which shows you all products that are in the system, and you can navigate from one product to the other. And that is what products is about. That is all to see in products. Thank you. Next, I will close this window and we will go to suppliers. Again, in suppliers, there are 2 tabs, the suppliers info tab and the list of suppliers tab. On the suppliers info tab, you have the fields, the supplier details fields, supplier number, name, address, contact person, telephone, fax, email, website, payment terms. And on the list of suppliers tab, it's a browse that shows you the entire list of suppliers that we have in this organization. So the way also we had a new supplier is to go add and fill in the details and go save. As you can see on this panel here, we have a supplier called Stss, and Stss has certain products which they supply, and we can see those products by clicking on products by this supplier, and we will see the products which are supplied by Stss. If we go to another supplier, say John Silver, we can click on it and we will see the products supplied by John Silver. And that is how suppliers module works. I will close it now, and that will be the end of this video. When we come back, we will be looking at purchase stock. Thank you.